Hi, this is Chris. I'm here to talk about converting between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees centigrade. I'm an instructor at Shoreline Community College. To convert from degrees Fahrenheit to centigrade, we subtract 32 degrees and then multiply by 5/9. So that's degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 degrees times 5/9 equals degrees centigrade. Let's look at an example. Convert 72 degrees Fahrenheit to centigrade. That's 72 minus 32 times 5/9 equals degrees centigrade. 72 minus 32 is 40. 40 times 5 is 200. 200 divided by 9 is 22.2. So 72 degrees Fahrenheit is 22.2 degrees centigrade. Let's take a look at a different example. Let's convert 100 degrees Fahrenheit to centigrade. 100 minus 32 times 5/9. So 100 minus 32 is 68. Times 5 is 340. Divided by 9 is 37.8 degrees. So 100 degrees Fahrenheit is 37.8 degrees centigrade. Let's convert 20 degrees Fahrenheit to centigrade. 20 minus 32 is minus 12, times 5 is minus 60, divided by 9 is minus 6.7 degrees centigrade. Going the other way, converting from centigrade to Fahrenheit, we multiply by 9/5 and then add 32 degrees. So that's degrees centigrade times 9/5 plus 32. Equals degrees Fahrenheit. Let's convert 20 degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. So that's 20 times 9/5 plus 32. 20 times 9 is 180 divided by 5 is 36. And 36 plus 32 is 68 degrees. So that's 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take a look at a couple of different examples. Let's convert 100 degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. So 100 times 9/5 is 900 divided by 5, or 180 plus 32, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. That happens to be the boiling temperature of water. Example 3, convert 15 degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. Now it's 15 times 9/5. So that's 3 times 9, or 27 plus 32, and that's 59 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Remember, converting Fahrenheit to centigrade, we multiply the degrees Fahrenheit after subtracting 32 degrees times 5/9, and that equals degrees centigrade. And converting from centigrade to Fahrenheit, we multiply the degrees centigrade times 9/5 plus 32 to get degrees Fahrenheit. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Bye.